How to hack Pokémon GO the safe way. Are you tired of walking miles just to hatch one egg or find that elusive Pokémon? Wish you could explore the Pokémon GO world from your home? In today's video, I'll show you how to hack Pokémon GO the safe and easy way. No root, no jailbreak, and no risk of getting banned. So, what do we mean by hacking Pokémon GO? We're not talking about illegal cheats or exploits. We're talking about virtual GPS movement, which allows you to explore distant locations, catch region-exclusive Pokémon, join rare raids, or simply play without leaving your house. This is especially useful if you live in a rural area with few Pokestops or gyms. One of the safest and most effective ways to spoof your location in Pokémon GO is by using a GPS location changer tool on your computer. The tool I highly recommend is called MagFone Location Changer. It's simple, secure, and works on both iOS and Android. Run MagFone Location Changer on computer, and connect your iPhone or Android to your computer, and click Start button. Select Pokémon GO game mode, and run Pokémon GO on your mobile phone. Once you are on the map, search for any location you want to explore, like Tokyo, Paris, or San Francisco. Click Start Modifying button to teleport. Always follow the cooldown time. The farther you fly, the longer you wait before catching or spinning. Once you've teleported to another remote location, you can use the joystick movement mode, where you can set your movement speed and joystick control to control movement in real time. Here are a few tips to avoid being banned. Always simulate real movement. Avoid jumping long distances instantly. Wait for cooldown periods after actions. Don't log in from multiple IP addresses at once. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Pokémon GO tips. See you in the next one.